What's up? So today was not like a pretty good day, to be honest. I took almost around like four trades to make $86 and one break even, two losses, and one win. So you already know the vibe, I guess. You already know the vibe, I guess. So, anyways, let me just go ahead and break down this. So, I was looking to sell. So, why am I selling? Because price went up. Previous days London high sweeps. One more thing is that price has a 15-minute imbalance and also four hour fair value gap. Oops, a bearish fair value gap. So for 15 minutes also has a 15-minute fair value gap up here, like bearish. So our price is actually respecting that and it's trying to come back down whenever it goes up to that place. So what happened here? So for my first trade was right around here. Reason for that is I'm gonna just go ahead and just do this, like, okay. So why I did this? Because price inverse the 5 minutes per value gap and then actually if it actually wants to go up it would the market open would have actually went up sweep the highs up here and then come back down. So also one more reason why I break even the first trade because I actually didn't see the 30-minute fair value gap. I actually didn't pay attention to that. I thought the price would go up and then give me another inverse somewhere, something like this. But I actually didn't do nothing. Um, I just break even the trade and didn't have that much. And I was waiting for the next thing to print out, right? So when I go to 15 minutes, right? So 15-minute inverse right up here. I can see a little tiny inverse up here. So why I sell up there? Once price closes below the 15-minute fair value gap, which is here, all I wanted to see is a 5 minutes imbalance. There is another 5 minutes imbalance right up there, and it's still holding that's super tiny. And I was completely for selling. So as I was looking at it, price holds 5 minutes per value gap, price holds just 1 minute per value gap. I actually didn't inverse it. Like it actually did inverse it, but all I wanted to see is happening, right? Like this inverse fair value gap is right up here. So I got inverse. I even waited for the third candle to break. And after seeing this rejection, I entered right around here. And it did go up. It did go down and actually it started consolidating and straight up to my stop loss. Lost around like $150 on that trade, like not too much because I cut off my loss as the price went down. So that's one thing. I took the second trade. Second trade basically simple. Like the price went up, sweeps all the liquidity above there. And I should have at least waited for this to get invested in order for me to sell, right? So or else I could have done this. So once price come back into the 50% of the fair value gap, I'm an enter. So I just got manipulated. I know for a fact that the price is gonna stop me out and stuff. Anyways, as I saw this death candle and I literally enter right around here just based off that and also high time frame liquidity and high time frame imbalance. So these are my confluence and I enter on that trade and went trade up to my stop loss. That's another $250 loss. So I'm basically around like $350 loss for the day. But all I wanted to see is another entry, one more entry, then I'm done for the day, right? So I keep $250 risk on that trade, risking more than I should, which is like, I don't know how much, probably $150 more than I should be risking. So as I was looking at it, price sweep most of the liquidity and goes back into the 15 minute fair gap right up here and gives me an inverse. So basically what I want to see, I was bearish. Price inside 15 minute fair value gap. Price sweep the liquidity. Price inversed. Price also gave us a market change. I mean, change in state of liquidity. It's right out here. What else we need? And also creating fair value gap. Too much confluence, right? Not even SMT. I'm not even looking at SMT because SMT actually confuses me. So once I see this, close, I enter right around here, start keeping my stops about the high and risking $250 on that trade and risking more than I should be risking. So I thought this trade is not gonna work out and stuff like that. I just took this trade and I just went to sleep, take a nap. So I was trying to take a nap. And all I could picture when I close my eyes is this trade. What if I would have get stopped out and stuff like that? I uninstalled my trading view, by the way. I installed everything, and I just kept my laptop as far away from me. I just gave it to my friend and tell him to keep that for a while and don't give it back to me, even if I ask him. That's funny, right? Like, yes, I have to do some crazy stuff to do this. So, anyways, as price went, I actually didn't look into the charts and I couldn't sleep. I just opened my browser and I was just typing um trading view on my Chrome and I was just looking at it like how I mean I cannot see the trade, but still I know where I kept my stop loss. I know where I have my take profit, right? Right. So I had my stop loss. I had my take profit at the market open low, and my take profit was up. I mean stop loss was up here. That's my take profit, my entry. Everything was sort of perfect. I know, right? Like when I saw the price, it was right around here. Yes. I ran to my laptop and just closed this right around here. Exactly right around here. Like it's like next level craziness. I have an injury on my leg and I didn't go to gym because of that for the past 2 days and I literally didn't care about it, literally didn't do anything. I just got up from my bed, threw my phone away from me, and I just ran to the laptop and just closed this trade. That's a break even. That's a break even trade, to be honest. So I could have I had all my reasons to sell. I had all my reasons to sell, and still this trade didn't play out. These two trades didn't play out. So this was the one trade that played out, and I'm really thankful for that. And that's it. And I think I have the screenshot of my executions. Yeah, I do. I do have the this. I can actually share the screen, I guess. Yeah. What the freak? Yeah. This was my execution. That's the first trade, break even, trying to get another position right up here. That's like super tiny. Oh, yeah, wait. I have my second entry right here. That's my another entry. So, which is like basically four entries. So, one, two, three, and then here's the fourth one. So, that is like really good. Um, that's like awesome, right? So I could have just avoided all these and just focused on this. Bro, I'm telling you, how many times should I have to say this to myself again? So I had all my reasons to sell up here. Like I had my everything to the top, to the bottom, to the lowest of time frame. I had my bias aligned, and this trade didn't play out because I don't know what the reason what it was, but today it's supposed to be selling, and I'm happy that I got this trade. Anyways, we are done here, and I didn't take any trades on my top step account, I guess. Yep, I didn't take any trades, zero trades today. So this was my standing on my top step. So I actually didn't trade on Wednesday, which is like crazy awesome. And I'm maintaining my discipline on this trade, on this account. It's like awesome, dude. Like literally two trades lost in 7 winning trades. And this is like crazy awesome. No big of a drawdown. Like it's always going up. The equity curve is always up. And I'm really thankful God for that. You know, everything is on God. Everything is on God. Without God, there's nothing, bro. And I firmly believe that all blessings all around me for the past 2 weeks. I don't know how, but I feel really good about my life, my trading. Everything is being good, and I wish this continues forever without saying anything. Are you?